Hello guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing fine. Welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches. Let's go, Secret Niches.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, guys, I have this not so low competition niche because it has out 800 results, but I think it's a very good evergreen. It is for baptism, Christian baptism, another religious niche that sells very well, and the phrase is left it in the water. It is for, as I said, baptism. Look at the BSI. 100 bought it past month. BSI is awesome. It has a little more competition that I would like. I saw it and I decided to include it in the secret niches. In fact, I'm loading designs myself. Okay, this is a very good evergreen. If you manage to make a original design and start selling, and even if you put some ads, it eventually could turn to be your bestseller. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got the semi-low competition niche of 730 results. It's another religious niche, and the phrase is, if the stars were made to worship, so will I praise. Okay, look at BSR, is very good. You can do a various type of design. For example, this sunset, beach at sunset, or this with flowers, this like in a forest. Okay, this is another religious evergreen niche that I think this is trending. This type of design is trending. Okay, look at this. This is very, I like this time. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I got this very low competition funny niche that I found, that is this design for wives and husbands. It said, mind your own business, my wife is expensive. Okay, BSR, look, this the bestseller has the batch of 100 bought past month. BSR is awesome, but the other ones are also selling. They are all very similar. So, for example, this is kind of new. If you wanna sell, look, you have to do something different. Okay, for example, this person did it with a raccoon. Okay, he's a very funny niche. I think, though it's trending, it can turn to be an evergreen also. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I have this very low competition niche of 240 results of this phrase: eat Italian, dry German, marry Slavic. I don't think this is about a movie or anything else. I did my research, but if you're in doubt, please make your research. Don't blame me, okay? I guess the joke is because eat Italian is pasta, Italian food, dry German because good cars, and marry Slavic because they're sexy or loyal, I don't know, woman, okay? Women. DSR is very good. Design is very simple, mostly text. So I guess you can, this is kind of different. It's another version with Russian. Bring Russia, okay, or vodka. Okay, use your weapons and make a original design. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
For the last niche, the fifth niche, I got this low competition niche of 318 results. That is rat spelled backward. It's rat. Okay, I remember I saw first this design on Pinterest, but I didn't upload anything. Now it's trendy. Okay, so I guess if this is the bestseller, would be a star. This on black background, and this is, for example, the bootleg design that is very trending now, and you can make it in very different styles. Okay, I remember a sign similar to this that said taco. How was it? It was like cat eating taco. It's the same as taco eating cat, something like that. That was trending a couple years ago. I might be crazy or not remembering well, but this is kind of the same. And I remember that design was a bestseller. Let me find. Okay. This was it. It was the same as with taco and cat. Taco cat, pale backward is taco cat. It's the same. Okay. And I think, well, the competition is very tight, but this turned to be an evergreen and also a bestseller. Where is it? Fierce. Okay. So this might be a great opportunity to make it back with the rat and the star. Okay, secret niche. Hope you have a good design, good selling days, and see you in the next one. Bye.